We got another video today. Sponsored by Oreos. I'm finna go pick up a motor. Oreos and water, bro. But look at this, look at this, look at this. I painted the rear bumper. So this is blaze orange. What I painted back here is also blaze orange. But I added like 50 grams of pearl. So it kind of changed it a little bit. But I like it because this blaze orange is a different blaze orange. It's like super sparkly. So when I like open this joint up with it having all the shadows and whatnot, it will, I don't know, it'll be brighter in contrast. Especially like when I open the bay, that joint be lit. I don't know. It's just, it'll match, but it won't match. Yeah, if that makes a sense. It'll match, but it'll be more sparkly. Lighter and more sparkly. Oh well. But back onto this picking up another situation. I gotta take out some parts. Cause I'm putting this joint in the back of the Civic. Goddamn hush puppy.
Is that like a 97? 2000. Oh, alright. Yeah. 2000 sedan. Oh, word. Alright, hell yeah. Hell yeah. I like it painted. Bad. I ain't worried about none of that. We do paint, so. Oh, do y'all really? Yeah. Oh, that's good to know right there.
I was trying to hold the dollars and slide forward.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
that's good to know because I want to get that. I want to get my extended cab painted, and then I want to get my 70 out there painted. Yeah.
We definitely do.
Back when it's like 15-foot car leaves in my house and all that. Nice. Badass, dude. Daily. Hell yeah. No, that thing's clean, dude. I seen it on your Facebook, dude. I mean, that thing's clean. And that paint looks fucking good, dude.
Y'all got a shop downtown?
Yeah, it's right off 95.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, damn, dude, that paint is real fucking nice. That's got nice flake in it, dude.
Dude, I mean, I might get right with y'all when I'm ready to do that. I got some body work to do to it. And I'm confident in my body. Probably not to y'all standard, but confident in my body work. Once I get it ready, I might holler out. That's cool. Let it know.
I mean, even the interior on this thing is clean as a pin, dude.
We're still trying to finish it up.
Sunroof too, baby? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Nice. Yeah. But, yeah, man, I appreciate it. Yeah, man. Feel like a glove. Like an O.J. Simpson glove, dude. Cut it off. Yeah. Cool deal, man. Nice meeting you guys. Yeah, nice meeting you.
Finna head back to the reach, man. Yeah, baby. The motor back there.
Order me a pack, then I gotta meet up. Police right behind me, so I had to speed up. Sitting in the back of the Tahoe, leaned up. We just crossed the border, drinking margaritas. What you want? A new salon. Let's do my song, put you on. I'll break you off. I want the job. If you sneaking on a nigga, I'ma find out. Whip it right out. 20 bitches in the Jeep, they had to climb out. I got a confession. I just want your best friend. Take her to the West End. Everything expensive. I be in my grind, I'm never resting. Stop with all the questions. Shorty, who you pressing? The only thing that's pressed and the diamonds on my necklace. I can stretch you out like a yoga session. This is my profession. Pussy like holy water, I bless it. I drink the water pouring on me, yeah, it's refreshing. obsessed with me. She done got the best of me. Don't be thinking less of me. Why you keep on stressing me? Crush me, that's a penalty. Envy me and jealousy. Keep a bad bitch next to me. Hating that I'm next to be. You try to extort me. You never
Yo. So we got that jump. I got a V8 swapped EK hatch sedan. This shit heavy though.
I know.
Yeah, we got her ass.
My freaking finger went instantly numb.
What you mean, my boy?
I guess I was cutting the circulation off in that joint.
That's not smart. I'm just gonna lay on that jump. Go. Ooh, big bitch. Fuck that shit. Those right there notice. Woo. That's what I'm talking about. Go like this. Ready? Oh, you're not gonna help. Nah, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. I got it, I got it. Ooh. Yeah. I got this chest plate on, bro. Y'all can't tell me nothing, bro. I just, you know what I'm saying? Boom. You gotta take this joint out though. These some big ass motors though. That ain't nothing like no motherfucking B series. I'll tell you that shit. God. But yeah, it done big. I can't wait. Toe rig. Slash. Nah, it's not. It's just a toe rig. You know what I'm saying? We're not going to throw a cam or a turbo in it or nothing. We're not doing that. That's what we're not going to do. Why this one so slow, man? I'm just trying to look up some parts. Jeez, man, what the hell? That's crazy. It's a sign. Alright, y'all. This is gonna be a quick video, maybe. I don't know, to be honest with you. Cash rules everything around me. You didn't get the money. Dollar bills, yo. I lost my phone. Catch y'all later.
We